and I am always very excited, and especially now because I received my box for the Mystery Yarn Challenge. Hashtag MYC723, which is July 2023's Mystery Box Challenge. And this is a beauty. She is happy. Says, woohoo, MYC. So this is from Mary Gannon. She is from Michigan. So I'm going to cover hers. Everyone, I usually put my address in the description box sometimes, so I'm not shy to show mine. I just wanted to show you the cute little thing. I've seen her do this, and I think it's so adorable. So I'm so grateful and happy to have received you as my person. That is what I'm talking about. Isn't that adorable? She put these cute little granny squares with the little strings, so it looks like little balloons up in the air. And it says, "We love yarn," and a happy face. So that's from Mary. Now we're going to open her up. I have my scissors. I'm excited. All right. So Armchair Chef is the channel. Lori is her name. She's been doing this Mystery Yarn Challenge since I think last year sometime. And I joined this year just making the things that I wouldn't make with my own yarn. And tested on yarn that's received. Packaged very sweetly. Ooh, oh, Mary. Mary, we're all out. Oh, Mary, God bless you. Thank you so much. I love this song. Ooh, don't worry. Ooh, be happy. Ooh, don't worry, be happy now. Ooh, look what is this? Let's see. Ice cube trays. They're flamingos. Oh, this is, wow, this is cute. Like, it's this little book, right? And then it's like opens. And then it opens again. And we have paper. This cute little alpaca. And more paper, more paper. Yay, these cute little notes. Sticky note. Oh, it says sticky notes in the back. It's sticky note. It says so pretty. Wow, I haven't seen one like this. It's a gem pen, but it has glitter inside that tube. And it's my favorite color, pink. Like, pink. Yay! Ooh. So I got this red heart, and it's eyelash yarn. I think that's what they call that. This is my favorite tone of pink, Dusty Rose. Smells good too. And it's so soft. I know I should have looked for the card first. Let me look for the card. It was on the other side because I opened it on the wrong side. Oh, Mary, to a true beauty. Thank you. Tina on my channel. Oh, it's so pretty. The cute little bird there. Miss Senia, so happy to have been paired with you this month. I am grateful. Thank you. I just love your videos. Oh, you don't watch me. Thank you, Mary. You are so much fun. I immediately knew I wanted to send this yarn to you. Thank you. I know I've been doing crazy things, right, Mary? I just can imagine you all snuggled up in something furry and colorful. Oh, you're giving me ideas. Enjoy the little goodies, not so little, and I appreciate it. Chosen based on your personality, of course. Oh, she wrote that. I didn't say of course. Thank you. Can't wait to see what you make. I won't disappoint you, Mary. Challenge accepted. Your yarny friend, Mary. Will work for yarn, but no donations turned down. Yes. I feel you, girl. And she wrote laughing out loud. And I'm not even finished. I'm already so excited. I'm so excited. Dun, dun, dun. And I just can't hide it. Dun, dun, dun. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. Whoa! Gold bag. And inside is a mango fruit tree. I said tree. Mango fruit tea, and it's from the company Stag. Mango passion fruit, even better. I love passion fruit. And then I got this cute green thing with a little paw. Whoa! I've heard about this. I've heard about this. So it's like you could just put your yarn and feet, and it's like instead of using scissors, feet. And three of them two sides have it, and two sides are to hold. So it's just like you put your yarn inside. See, there's like see that right there, and then you just put your yarn in there and get feet, and it cuts it. Lindor truffles are my favorite chocolate. So I have 3 Lindors and in dark chocolate. Thank you for thinking of my health. And then I have these cute little strawberries, chocolates. I hope this has strawberry flavor. And I got Sugar Daddies. Wow, nostalgia come through with the Sugar Daddies. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Mary. Now, me personally would have not bought myself this yarn because I haven't not done anything. I just mastered, I'm gonna say mastered because I'm like, I just mastered boucle. You can't crochet boucle. Maybe other people can. And you know what? God bless you. And I am so freaking amazed. I can't I cannot crochet boucle. That rhymes. I knit boucle. I got another one. This one had the sticker on top, the price sticker on top, so I could tell you it's HYGGE fur. So you could say Hygge fur, Hygge fur. I don't know, but it sounds very good. It's very soft. Oh my goodness, I love it. Sienna. Oh, that's so beautiful. Sienna, and it's like a coral. So beautiful. I'm going to play yarn chicken and I'm going to play with the time, but I have an idea. Stay tuned. I got, oh, and another one. What? Okay. I have an idea. And this one is called Peacock. Let me see your peacock. Your peacock. Your peacock. I know, that one's a little iffy when it's like, I know it's got a double meaning, but oh, she wrote something for me. Not mandatory for yarn challenge, just bonus yarn. Mary, I love bonus yarn, especially when I think I'm gonna play yarn chicken. Bonus yarn is good. So yes, and a little mix, like all these colors mixed up together, that's gonna be amazing. Mary, what's going on here? What? This is I love like random surprises. This is Fresh Clips, and they're juicy cherry scented scratch for scent. Oh, you can scratch it, but there's 4 clips. I could even smell it. But guys, if you don't have car and you want to know a cute little hack, you can put this on a heater. You know, just place it on a heater. You can hang it near a heater, and the heat will like start bringing out the beautiful scent. I can use it, and it will melt good. Oh my goodness! Another one, and another one. This one is Leafy. Leafy. I like that. It is. I see it. One more yarn left, but I really wanted to give you the deets. Since I've got multiple of these, I wanted to give you the deets. The Just Yarn Plush is in mustard and is 1.76 ounces. Oh, and the name of it is sunflower, but it looks like mustard to me, but I love it. And this one's a medium 4. It's 7 ounces, which is 200 grams, 260 yards. And I have all these, and they're all different. So this is gonna be so much fun. Wait till you see. I have an idea. Oh, okay, bonus from Bulgaria. Ooh, Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Whoa, we fancy. I'll be ordering ice yarns and I think I'm fancy. I'll be ordering Peruvian yarn. Alpaca, I'm fancy. Now, we're going fancy country. Wow, this is beautiful. Favorite yarns for me is cotton alpaca, and wool. Mainly superwash. Top 3 yarns. Favorite weight for me is 2 and 3. I love thinner yarns. So if you guys ever get me in the future, I get rid of some of your animal-based yarn or your lighter weight yarn, I'm here for it. So this is it doesn't say, but I'm gonna say it's a light 3 because it doesn't say, and it's from Performance, and it's called Squishy. Squishy. It is in the color 2108 Fun Fair Lot 905. 200 grams, 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. Me like it a lot. I'm going to share a little bit of what I'm gonna do. I know it's bonus, but like I said, I'm all up for a challenge. So I'm gonna mix this yarn with these yarns so that this one will hold these down as I crochet, and this one will guide me to the chains and where the stitches lie. I am going to make something very interesting. And it's going to be winter, of course, it's going to be for the winter. And it's going to be snuggly. Thank you, Mary. Oh my goodness. I just like, oh. But wait, there's some more. I got another one. Mary, you must be like on everyone, you must be the person I would love to receive yarn from in this challenge wish list person. Wow. Oh, Mary. One Love Pets, collect them all. So it could be a unicorn in pink or white, or alpaca in pink and or orange. So let's see. Make your guesses. Do you think it's a white unicorn, a pink unicorn, a orange alpaca, or a purple alpaca? Drum roll. Bam! Let's find out. Did you guess? If you want to make it easier, just put, for white unicorn, put WU in your comment. WU. Or pink unicorn, PU. Or orange unicorn, or orange alpaca, OA. Or purple alpaca, PA. Pennsylvania. Okay? Alright. The reason I'm saying to do this. And if you are my Yarny friend, I know my Yarny friends now, compared to my makeup channel friends from the same channel, name changed. But my Yarny friends and my makeup friends that crochet, I would love for you to enter this giveaway. It's my first yarn giveaway to celebrate this beautiful box. It just gave me an inspiration. Celebrate this beautiful box. And you will get, all right, this one's a medium, I think. Oh, this is, Mary. This is a large. I will get a medium flat rate. And I will fill it up with yarn. So it's a mystery box. Okay? Tell me if you knit or crochet when you enter with what I tell you to enter with. And you're about to see, my next video will be an ice yarn unboxing. So in that video, you will see some of the yarns that are going in the mystery box. So it's not so mystery, but you're not going to see everything. Okay? Everything. And an FYI, I have some cute yarn that is a 3-weight, but I'm going to put double of it so that you can put it together and it'll turn into a light 4, all right? Or you can just use it, okay? But there's going to be mix in here because it's ice yarn. Ice yarn doesn't only give big weight. They give 3-weight, they give 4-weight, you know? And then the other yarns, it's really good stuff. I know who really crochets or knits. Only you guys can enter. I would like this to go to someone who has been supporting me, who's been watching me, who knows their yarn and wants to, experience ice yarn, I want the giveaway to really mean, I want it to mean something to the winner. I mean, I know it'd be cool. Oh, I want to give away, and I'll just keep it and just not do nothing with it, or give it to someone that I know crochets. But that someone doesn't know me, and I could have put a smile on their face, and a bigger smile because they want something from me. So I hope you know that I'm just very sentimental, and I just want the person who wins to be a person who enjoys and loves yarn like I do. Whether it's collecting it, I haven't used it yet, but you know what? I've had yarn for like over 15 years that I've recently touched and worked and made something with, because I finally found out what it was for and what I could do with it. It happens. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Ta-da! It's OA. It's the orange alpaca. Orange alpaca. Hello. Oh, it's so cute. It has a cute little smiley face. Hello. Say hi. 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 Oh my goodness. I like the smell of plastic. It will join my other squishy friends. In the dollar store. Wow. Wow. This was the most amazing box. And I've had some amazing boxes, but this was the most amazing box. And so worth the wait. I am going to be cutting short on time. It is July 20th and I just received this box. But I will do the best that I can. And even if she's 75%, she's gonna be 75% video that you're gonna see. But I really am I'm gonna make it happen. Wow, thank you, Mary. Thank you everyone for watching. All right, good luck to everyone who is a yarny. Hey, we're gonna keep it real in this channel. Yeah, we're just gonna keep it real. Have a beautiful and happy week and happy yarning. Bye.